Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your video with a freezing walk effect on CapCut. So here I have already imported a video of someone walking like this, and you can also add your own video of you walking. And after that, just click on the clip and go to style in CapCut, then swipe until you find the video effect. This here, the freeze frame effect. So there are two options. You can just choose which one that you want to use. I'm going to go with the second one and wait for the effects to fully generating to your clip. Okay, so now it has been done and you'll have this freezing walk effect like this. And if you want, you can also change it into the freeze frame effect on the first one. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.